Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your boy Blue Boy FX, and I'm here to show you how to catch spikes on the Crash 1000. I'm going to be entering this trade live. Yes, I'm going to be entering this trade live. As you see here, it's a live account which belongs to someone somewhere. Of course, we had a discussion this morning. He was asking if we should withdraw today, and I told him let's round it up to 2K. So I'm gonna be doing that live with you guys. Okay, I'll be doing it live with you guys. So let's get this money together. Let's help ourselves. So please, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do well to subscribe to our channel. If you are yet to join our Telegram channel, please do well to join our Telegram channel. The description of this video is going to carry the link to our free Telegram channel. My WhatsApp number is going to be there, and for those that want to join there, if you are new to trading, there is a link that you're going to click on so that you can create your Deriv account. Okay, is a link here. I'm a Deriv agent too, so you can click on that link and join. So guys, I'm gonna show you the settings of this when I'm done. As you can see here, I have my indicators running already. Okay, although I should have gotten into the trade here. This is the right place to get into trade. I'm going to tell you why. Okay, I'm going to tell you why, but that's why I should have gotten into the trade. So let's check on the Boom 1000. Of course, it works on the Boom 1000 too, because I'm looking for opportunities. Good opportunities, because from there it shows that I am late. Okay, fine. Now we have this. Okay, this is better. So here, this line here that's running here shows our level 30, while up here is our level 70. So since we are dealing with the boom pay, we are going to be making use of the lower level here. So now let's check a higher time frame to know where the market is going, what trend. Oh wow, this is a downtrend, and this is a scalping opportunity. As you can see, this is a very huge rejection here. This has been selling for quite a long time now. Let's go to the daily time frame. You see this? See this candle? Wow. So I haven't really looked at this pay in a while, so I didn't see this market coming. But thank God I'm here now. So now let's get back to the 1 minute time frame and look for a good entry level, because we are supposed to be scalping this market. But I'm just going to show you how to catch spikes. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to catch the spikes, what to apply. Then I'm going to go into a live trade scalping this. So now first of all, before you use this strategy that I'm going to give to you guys, you have to build confidence around the strategy. You have to try it on your demo, build confidence around it before you try it on your live account. Okay, have an edge above the market before you get into this trade. Like, you just apply this on your live account. Okay, have an edge above the market. Strategy won't cause losses. There are no strategies that doesn't cause losses. So every strategy, okay, has to be used from time to time. You have to, that's why I said build confidence around it. That's why we try to give you I try to give you strategies that won't give you that are at least 98% accurate. Okay, that's what I do. I try to give you the ones that are at least 95% accurate. So now, also note this: spikes don't respect stop loss. For instance, when I was scalping, I set my stop loss around this axis here. Okay, before the spike, I set my stop loss around this axis here. So I got into this trade and I was catching these candles, and this spike came. The spike won't respect my stop loss. Let me try using an horizontal line to make this more understandable for you. Okay, let's say my stop loss was there in case the spike comes. Then I go into the trade and I was here. I've gotten to this level and this spike comes. The spike will respect this my stop loss. This is where it's going to close me out from. So that's what I was trying to explain. Spikes don't respect stop loss. That's why if you are trading against spike, you have to be very careful. That's why I had to go here and be sure, oh, what's happening here. And I saw that it's a downtrend, a very strong downtrend, and I shouldn't be looking to catch spike, but I should be looking to scalp. But this is perfectly safe at the moment because it's a right time to scalp. So now, having said that, now I'm going to tell you how to make use of this strategy. So now you see that I have the red. Let's back to the 1 minute time frame. I have the red line. I have the blue line here, and I have the purple line here. And this is the lower region, and this is the higher region. But since we are dealing with the boom 1000, we are going to be working on catching spikes around this axis. We are going to be working with the lower region. So now, the confirmations that you need, okay? The confirmations that you need while trading the boom 1000, because you want to catch spike the upper way, you have to first of all look out for a cross. Like now you see that this blue line, when it came down here, it has crossed with the red line. And now the second confirmation I'm waiting for is for the purple line. Okay, I'm also waiting for the purple line to cross the red line. I'm also waiting for the purple line to cross the red line, then I'll get into the trade. Although there's already a confirmation here, which is that these three lines, these three indicators are all here. They are all below this level. So now that's one of the confirmation. The second one is the crossing of the red line with the blue line. Now the final confirmation will be the red line crossing with the purple line. So now while we wait for that, please, if you haven't liked this video, please like this video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Check the description of this video. You are going to find the link to our free Telegram group, the Deriv. For those of you that haven't started trading yet, open a Deriv account, which it has a link. Okay, we have the link there. You can click on that link and open an account. Yes, of course, I'm an agent with Deriv. So when you click there, Deriv will now you'll be directed to Deriv website where you can open an account for you to start trading live. Okay, so now while waiting for that, this will be a good time to get at least into the trade, being that I'm using a big account. Okay, being that I'm using a big account, I can actually start entering the trade. But let's not also forget that this is a big downtrend. Perfect thing to do at this moment is to scalp. Okay, now let me show you the perfect thing to do. I'm going to be scalping with 5 each, 5 lot sizes each. So what do I do now is sell. So I've opened 10 positions. That's the best thing to do. Of course, you are going to see that when it's time to catch the spike. So I'm going to be on this trade for a while, and I will be going out of this trade when I see that there is going to be a close contact soon. Okay, so let's raise this account together. Okay, we are in $13 profit. So guys, this strategy works very well. But as I said earlier, having looked at my time frame, it is showing me that this is a market to sell, that I should trade against the spike, of course. So this is me scalping the market, trying to get my subscriber to his target. Okay, so now guys, if I'm going to show you how to get this thing correct. Now you see that I'm using the MACD, I'm using the relative strength index, and I'm also using the moving average. I'm using all these indicators, and I have nothing on the main window. I have nothing on the main window. I'm just using the indicator window. That's why you see here, everything here is clear. Well, this is where I'm working with. Okay, so now the MACD settings, of course, I know this is where you have been waiting for. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 9. You apply to close, there are no levels. Then the main color I use is white, while the signal is red. So when you're done with that, you click on done. There are no levels. Now let me show you what I mean. This is my signal line. I call it the signal line. This red line here is the signal line. Okay, you get that on the MACD. So now we are done with the MACD. When you're done with that, you click on done. You go back. You go to relative strength index. The period is 14. You apply to close. The levels are 30 and 70. Of course, that's where 30 is the higher and 70 is the lower. So the style I used is blue. You can use the pixel you want to use. When you're done with that, you click on done. You go back and click on moving average, which is the last. The period is 89. Shift is 0. Method is simple. You apply to close. The levels, there are no levels. The color I used is purple. Use the colors I'm using if your background is white as my own. Okay, if you are using a white background, make sure you use these particular colors I'm using. So now let's get back to our trade. As you can see, we have made $100 on this trade, and I'm done with my subscriber. Of course, I have gotten to the target that we wanted, and we are on $2,000 now, and it's time to close on the market. So I'm going to be doing that now. So now all the trades are closed, and we are on 2K with a little bit of extra. So guys, now you've seen that this has happened. I got out of this trade because here you see they have all converged here, and if you check closely, I think the purple line has crossed with the red line, which is one of the confirmations I talked about earlier. But also, being that this is a 1 hour time frame and it's showing a very strong bearish market, it's been going down, and as you can see, so we were able to catch a couple of candlesticks which gave us that profit. So it would be a good time to scalp, but I would have loved to keep this video running, but having shown you how to catch the spike, the confirmations you need. Now let me repeat myself, the confirmations that you need to catch spike on this video. This is the lower region. This line here is the lower region. This is the upper region. But since we are dealing with boom, we are dealing with this lower region here. Now, first of all, always go to the higher time frame to know the trend, where the market is going to, if it's buying or it's selling, so that it will give you a better entry. If you are, it will let you know if you are actually supposed to buy this market, or you're supposed to trade against spike, or you're supposed to scalp. Okay, it's definitely going to tell you that. So that's why, when you saw me here on crash 1000, I didn't want to get into it because it showed me something different. Okay, it showed me something different. It's been buying for a while now, and I couldn't get into the market because it has not given me the confirmations I need. Imagine I went into the trade while trying to catch spikes. I'll be in a loss to this moment. So that saved me. And when I came to the boom 1000, the same thing, and I was like, wow, okay, fine. This is not a market to catch spikes, but it's a market to scalp. But I'm going to teach you how to catch the spike, and I've now shown you the things you need to confirm. confirm that this is not a downtrend if you want to catch spike on the boom 1000. Then also when you go to the lower time frame, you now check out if these lines, the indicators are below this level, and also look for confirmations of the red line crossing the blue line and also crossing the purple line, which now also means that you also have to wait for all these lines to come down to this level. They are just follow these rules and you are going to make it big. You are going to catch good spikes. Okay, you are going to catch good spikes. So guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. If you have not liked this channel, like this channel, subscribe, share the video to your friends so that they can learn, they can also benefit from this. I would have loved to keep this video running, as I said earlier, but I don't want to waste your time on it. The spike is gonna be coming, but we aren't really sure of catching that spike right now because, as I said earlier, and we have seen it too on the higher time frame, that this is a scalping or a scalping opportunity, and also this is a selling market. So what am I trying to say? It's good to sell at this moment. Of course, if you sell, even if the spike should come, it might not even get to your entry level. If you know where you enter from, that also means that you also have to know where to enter your trade from. Look for good entry levels. That's why I trade with price action. Price action helps me to get accurate entry levels and also close to accurate level where I pull out of the market. So guys, make sure you try this, make sure you follow these steps. If it's a selling market, don't go for it, don't go to catch spike. If you trade against the spike, also note that it doesn't respect the stop loss. I've said this earlier in this video. It doesn't respect stop loss. When you trade against spikes, if the spike should come, it's going to take you out. Now let me repeat that particular part. That's why I kept this line here. Let's say I got into this trade here at this level. Okay, let's say I got into this trade at this level. Now a spike happens and I kept my stop loss here in case the spike comes. Let's say I kept my stop loss. I kept my stop loss here. Now, if the spike should happen, now, it's not going to respect this my stop loss. It's not going to respect this my stop loss. Let's say a spike happens and this is where the spike stops. Maybe this spike happens now and it stops here. It won't respect this stop loss I put here. It's going to break it and this is where it's going to end, which means it's going to take me out and take more than what I bargained for. So guys, they are different. Always note all these things. I'm giving you a deep tutorial now so that you understand this market well before you get into the trade. So guys, I'm going to leave this trade right now and I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our Telegram channel. The links there are for you. Check the link that you want to use that will make that will be beneficial to you. If you want to open a derivative account, the link is there. You want to, of course, derivative account, that's where you trade synthetic indices. Of course, you should know that. But if you are new to the market, then that's where we trade the synthetic indices. And also, if you want to join our free Telegram group, the link is there. Of course, this is our free Telegram group, and there was a giveaway. Yes, I did a giveaway on my Telegram group. So here is the Telegram group here. Of course, here was the giveaway. Be the first to guess the pay and get 10,000 in BTC. And yes, we had a winner. Yeah, we had different comments coming in, but we had a winner here, and he's here to send his details to us. Of course, when he does that, we are going to send him what he wants. So guys, thanks for joining us. Stay in profit. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next video.